Good afternoon and a warm welcome to Charcha 2021, a convening platform that brings together all the development stakeholders together for conversations on the most pressing issues of our time. Thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Napina and I will be your host for the plenary tracks of this conference. We are delighted that all of you have been able to join us in this virtual conference room. Many of you are also joining us through multiple live streaming platforms, and we are grateful for your presence and participation. In the last edition of Charcha in 2020, we had 15,000 unique visitors. Since then, Charcha has grown to become an integral part of the calendar in the development sector, and the support we have received this year is a testament that underlines this fact. Over the next 3 days, the Nudge Foundation and our co-hosts are excited to bring to you conversations on a wide range of development issues with over 100 sessions with over 270 speakers from across the development ecosystem. These are COVID warriors, economists, non-profit leaders, philanthropists, government officials, and more. Leading institutions, including the Ashoka Center for Social Impact and Philanthropy, Central Square Foundation, Dalberg, NSDC, Piramal Swasthya, Rockefeller Foundation, Rohini Nilekani Philanthropies, Umidyar Network India, and WaterAid are hosting events of up to 8 hours each over the next 3 days. We're also excited to have these inspiring institutions as co-hosts on tracks such as education and WASH. Our sincere thanks also to the media partners who are supporting Charcha 2021. Before I hand the stage over to the first speaker of the day, I'd like to share with you some videos about Charcha 2021 to give you a flavor of the sessions to come. Good afternoon once again to those of you who joined us in the last couple of minutes. It's exciting to see the number of people in the room go up. We're close to about 500 people in the room and many more watching on other live streaming platforms. You can go to the reception in order to see a listing of all the events over the next 3 days. You can also directly go to the plenary tab to see all the sessions that will be held in the plenary auditorium, which is where we are currently. We also have a Career Connect section where those of you who are interested in career opportunities within the development sector can look at open positions in a diverse range of organizations working in amazing areas. We also have Birds of a Feather sessions, which are focused sessions and discussions on, again, a diverse set of areas, such as education. Thank you again for joining us. And we now would like to begin with the first session of the plenary. I now invite Mr. B. Muthuraman, who will give us the keynote address for the session. Good afternoon, sir. A warm welcome to you. Am I audible?
Yeah.
With your permission, I would like to take a minute to introduce you before you begin.
Yes, please.
Mr. B. Muthuraman is a member of the board at the Nudge Foundation. He is the ex-vice chairman of Tata Steel. At Tata Steel, he has held various positions, such as vice president of marketing and sales, vice president of cold rolling mills projects, and he has also been a managing director. He has served on the boards of Bosch India Limited, Tata Industries Limited. He was the chairman of the Board of Governors of IIT Madras, NIT Jamshedpur, and XLRI Jamshedpur. He is currently on the board of directors of Sundaram Fasteners Limited. He has also been conferred with the Padma Bhushan in 2012 from the Government of India. Mr. Muthuraman holds a bachelor's degree in metallurgical engineering from IIT Madras and also has an MBA from XLRI Jamshedpur. Sir, we are delighted that you're here to give us the opening remarks and set the tone for the plenary sessions. Thank you very much for making the time. Over to you.
Thank you, Napinay. Dear friends, it is indeed my proud privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to Charcha 2021. As India completes 75 years of independence, we look back with gratitude to generations who committed their lives to nation building. As we continue to work for India's development, we remember with gratitude the generations before us who committed their lives to making India free and then building this nation on the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These are important ideals, ones we must hold as a guiding light as we continue to work for India's development. Even more so in the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic, which is threatening to push us back on the progress we already made in poverty alleviation over the last decades. It is more important than ever before for our development journey forward to be more inclusive and more sustainable. As the country perseveres to combat pandemic and get back on its feet, we must realize that we have less than 10 years in which to recover lost ground and achieve the sustainable development goals. Our past ways of tackling inequity in education and healthcare or addressing problems of malnutrition, unemployment, urban housing, or climate change will fall woefully short. We need to find new ways of thinking and new ways of acting on India's development agenda. The first step in all this is for all stakeholders in India's development, both domestic and global, to come together and resolve to work together. The purpose of the Nudge Forum is to provide that space and make India's inclusive and sustainable development a rallying point for all Indians, for diaspora, and allies across the globe. Once again, I welcome you all to be a part of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. That was indeed inspiring, and I think you've set the tone for the next 3 days of sessions. We look forward to having your continued counsel as a board member and advisor. Thank you very much for making the time.
Pleasure. Thank you.
We will now be moving into the next session for the day. See the camera, you